What happened today? I don't find any food. I have wandered throughout the jungle, but could not find any prey.
The hungry tiger slowly walked.
What is that in the distance? Looks like a deer. Ah, it has been trapped in the old cage. If somehow I get into the cage, I will have a feast.
Somehow the tiger managed to get into the cage, killed the deer, and had a good meal. He was taken aback when he was about to leave. He pushed it hard, trying to open it.
I am trapped. This cage is too strong for me. My life is in danger.